60% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency without going into debt. A broken car, a medical bill, a surprise job loss. Without savings, any of these can spiral into financial disaster. In this video, I'm going to show you a real practical plan to build a $10,000 emergency fund, even if you're starting from zero. Financial experts recommend 3 to 6 months of living expenses as your emergency fund target. For most people, $10,000 covers 3 to 4 months and handles the vast majority of real emergencies. Job loss buffer, major car repair, unexpected medical costs. It's also a psychologically powerful milestone. Once you have $10,000 in reserve, your relationship with money changes completely. Anxiety drops, confidence rises. First, let's talk about where to keep this money, because most people make a mistake here. Your emergency fund should not be in a regular checking account earning 0.01%. That's wasted potential. Put it in a high-yield savings account, HYSA. In 2026, banks like Ally, Marcus, and SoFi are offering 4 to 5% APY. That means your $10,000 earns $400 to $500 a year just sitting there. It's liquid, it's safe, and it's growing. Here's a step-by-step plan to hit $10,000 as fast as possible. Step 1. Audit your spending. For 30 days, track every dollar. Most people discover $200 to $500 they can redirect without sacrificing quality of life. Step 2. Sell what you don't need. Go through your home. Old electronics, clothes, furniture. List them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Many people raise $500 to $1,000 in the first month alone. Step 3. Start a savings goal of at least $500 per month. At that rate, you hit $10,000 in under 2 years. At $800 per month, you're there in about 13 months. Step 4. Redirect windfalls. Tax refund, birthday money, bonus. Put 50 to 100% of unexpected income straight into your emergency fund. Want to get there faster? Consider a temporary income boost. Freelance work, weekend gigs, driving for Uber, selling a skill on Fiverr. Even an extra $300 per month cuts your timeline by a third. The emergency fund phase is temporary. You're not doing this forever. You're sprinting for 6 to 12 months so you never have to worry about financial emergencies again. Treat it like a project with a deadline, not a vague intention. Once you hit your goal, stop aggressively saving to the HYSA and redirect that monthly contribution toward investing. You've built your financial floor. Now it's time to build the ceiling. Keep the $10,000 there. Let it earn interest and only touch it for genuine emergencies. Not vacations, not deals, not impulse purchases. A $10,000 emergency fund isn't a luxury. It's the foundation that every other financial goal is built on. Start today. Even $20 counts if it builds the habit. Subscribe and comment below. What's your current emergency fund situation? Starting from zero or already partway there?